I'm Kathavachak, the storyteller.
I'm Kathavachika and welcome to the realm of Katha.
And welcome to the realm of Katha.
Mother. She is the one who can take anyone else's place, but nobody can take her place. Today, on Mother's Day, we celebrate the personality behind the word mother. I'm Katha Vachak and welcome to the realm of Katha. And today's story is about Mother's Day. So let's begin. Today's Katha is about a married couple named Padma and Vijay. After many years of marriage, repeated doctor consultations and scores of prayers, they couldn't bear a child. But then they were blessed with a baby boy. They named him Rudra. Rudra was a very sweet boy and Padma doted on him. She used to be with him and nurture him all the time. And Rudra also loved his mother. But as the years passed, Rudra's behavior started changing towards his mother. When he entered his teens, he became really aggressive. Once, he threw an audio cassette against the wall and broke it into pieces in anger. But Padma didn't say anything. She just loved him. As the years passed, Rudra's behavior became worse towards her. And he started shouting and fighting with her and arguing with her all the time. As he became a young adult, he moved out of his house and away from his mother. Padma used to call him, but Rudra stopped replying to her calls and even picking her calls or replying to the messages. He started resenting her for all the problems that he had in his life, and he used to tell her that. But Padma used to keep quiet and just ask him that how he was and if he had eaten anything or not. She just cared for him. Slowly and steadily the talks between them ceased, and Padma just used to wait for Rudra's call. Slowly but steadily, Padma's health began deteriorating. But Rudra didn't come. Then one day, the news came of Padma's demise. Rudra and his new family rushed back to his house for the last rites. On the day of the funeral, as Rudra came back, he started missing his mother. So he went to her room and sat on her bed. Suddenly, he saw a small box kept on her pillow side. Curious, he picked up that box and opened it. Inside the box was the same audio tape taped back together, and there was a letter from Padma. Rudra started reading it. My dear Rudra, I am addressing this letter to you, but I may not actually have strength to send it to you. I am your mother, and I will always love you. Even when you shout at me, I will love you. Even when you blame me for all your problems, I will love you. Even if you don't drop your bad habits despite my advice, I will love you. Even when you don't talk to me for years, I will love you. Even if I close my eyes finally, waiting for you, I will love you. Because I am your mother, and I will always love you. Just one last request. Do take care of yourself and always be happy. So this was today's Katha. Until next time.